Prions present another fascinating example. These are protein molecules that cause diseases like mad cow disease. A single prion can induce its abnormal, infective structural form, PRPSC, in another protein, causing it to adopt the same structure. The prion's information is not encoded in a sequence of nucleotides like in DNA, but in the structural conformation of the protein. However, while prions exhibit a form of replication, they do not constitute reproduction in the biological sense, as they do not build new entities from basic subunits. Prions merely act as molds that alter the conformation of existing proteins. Unlike genetic material, this structural information is not inherited across generations. There are two primary types of reproduction: asexual and sexual. Asexual reproduction is common in simple organisms, such as bacteria, which divide through binary fission. The result is two daughter cells that are genetically identical to the parent cell. This form of reproduction also occurs in some multicellular organisms, such as hydra, sea anemones, and starfish, which reproduce by simply dividing their bodies into two new entities. In this case, there is no involvement of sexes or genetic recombination. In contrast, sexual reproduction involves two distinct cell types: gametes, sperm, male, and egg, female. These cells are produced through independent genetic recombination events, which alter the genetic information contained within them. In some organisms, gametes are produced by different individuals, while in others, the same organism may produce both male and female gametes, making them bisexual or hermaphroditic. When the gametes fuse, they form a new entity, initiating the process of sexual reproduction. This form of reproduction is thought to have evolved later in the history of life, after asexual reproduction. It allows for greater genetic diversity, which enhances adaptability and survival. Certain organisms, such as deltoid rotifers, are capable of asexual reproduction, creating clones from a single organism. Likewise, plants can reproduce vegetatively, with one part of the plant giving rise to a new, genetically identical plant. Despite the variations in reproductive strategies, all forms of reproduction share the common goal of perpetuating life, ensuring the continuity of species and the transfer of genetic information across generations.